The alcohol is actually back. I find a bunch of them. They're all over the place right now, so you may want to, if you see this video, you may want to stock up a little bit. Although I found my 70% here, and that's all you really need because the formula is very easy. I have the 91% alcohol, iso alcohol, and I also have the 70%, which is in this video right here. I have to make some for my gram, so because she walks around a lot, she walked my dog, so I usually give her, I make extra for her, but since I'm making it, and this is like a hospital gel this is actually going to be gel, hand sanitizer gel, like the hospitals, and it's pretty easy. I had made that earlier. I have a video up here, but since right up here you would see an eye. Since I'm making it, I'm just gonna do it again just in case people would find this one instead, but it's still the same video. I'm just gonna see if people would find this one, because YouTube, they're very I don't want to talk about it, but they suppress my video like crazy because mine is like DIY, but a lot of people do not have the DIY, so they kind of suppress it because they don't want people to see it, I guess. I don't know, but hey. And it's very easy, this simple, and this is exactly, almost exactly, the only difference on this is that they actually put, here's a funny part, they did most of the stuff for us already in hair gel. Yes, hair gel. They have already put, for instance, they have propylene alcohol in there. The Carbomer is, that's what we want. They actually have a preservative in here too. So everything was done for us already. Can you imagine? So if you look at this ingredient, doesn't matter. Just make sure to get the gel that is clear, okay? Same thing here. Okay. Ooh. There you go. Look at that. Carbomer. Glycerine. They actually put glycerine in this one. Isopropyl butane something. That's some sort of alcohol right there. Ectector EDTA, that's preservative. So literally, they already put most of the stuff in for us. Funny, right? But all you have to do is find hair gel. In this case, I got these at the dollar store. That was only $1, and this one is my favorite, to be honest. And look what it is. Okay, this is one I did for my gram, because this is a refillable for her. I turned into a refillable, and see how jelly that is. And then I got this here. I put them in here. You can see it's exactly like it, because you see the bubbles and stuff. You see that? And I'm gonna pump it out for you, just for you to see. Ooh, I don't know how this thing works. This way, or is it that way? Oh, there we go. Okay, this is from a Dio pump soap, but she saved it, and see how jelly that is. Okay, I'm trying to make this video faster for you guys, so I already put my alcohol in there already, and the formula, like I said, it's in the description. Okay. Right now I measure it's about 80 something percent, because it will be 50%, 75, a little bit over 75, about 80% right now. I need to go a little bit 84, but I'm not going to fill up the whole thing, so I'm going to be just to here only, so I can meet over 60%. As long as you go over 60% of alcohol, then you are good, because that's what the CDC recommended. Although you can go lower, and here's the thing, and I will be the first person in the world will tell you, you can go lower. You just have, your wait time, it has to be longer. Okay? Please remember that. The trick is that we need to get The alcohol is what steals the oxygen, liquid oxygen from the virus, and that's how it kills it. It doesn't kill it like, you know, just like a knife that stabs it. No, it removes the oxygen. Remember that. So I just put my gel in. Now I'm just going to shake it, and then it's going to thicken up. You have to get something that you'll be able to shake, okay? Because it won't thicken up unless you have something to shake, because you have to shake vigorously because it has to mix. Okay, and now a few more times, just 30 seconds or so. And now I need just a little bit more because I didn't get to the line that I want. Remember, get to the line, so it will be precisely 86% or whatever the calculation. 84%, sorry. 86:14, sorry. There we go. And like I said, you can go a little bit thicker if you want. Just your wait will be longer, okay? And let's see it. It's getting thick right now. And that's it. You see all the bubbles in there? Oh, sorry. See that? Okay. Just have to mix a little bit. It takes a little while with, not a little while, just take it. Just so like you leave it so it can infuse. That's what I find about alcohol and carbo gel. Okay? So that's all you really need. Simple as that. And then when you have it and it's done, it'll look something like this right here, just like the hospital. Okay? And if you want it thicker, yes you can, and I will tell you, you can even go 50-50, to be honest. The wait time is longer, but here's the thing, they have already put alcohol in these, so there's actually alcohol in them already. And see, that's it. And that's how good it is. And all you have to do, they want you to wait 30 seconds. Well, if you want it thicker, you would have to wait 45 seconds. Get it? So as long as you do this, make sure everything's all surrounding, and everything can go through your nails or whatever. You know what I mean? You're all set. So that's all there is. I mean, that's how easy and simple this is to make something like this right here. I don't know my focus. Come on, focus. But that's it. Okay? I guess that's, I don't know what else to say to you. I guess that's about it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like right here. See, right now it's still a little runny, but it's jelly. It's not as jelly as I want. Okay? But like I said, you can put a little bit extra if you want. You can go just a little bit lower, like maybe 55%. You just have to wait a little longer. But it'll wait a little bit, and then it'll gel up for me. About a few more minutes. But anyway, it'll come out something like this right here. That's why I like this one. This one comes out a lot better. And this one I make them literally liquidy. You see that? It's because my grandmother's like, I don't want to stand there and wait. You know, so I make it less for her. But for me, though, I actually like it like this, because then it doesn't evaporate fast. Okay? Other than that, that's about it. And make sure to check in the description. And I will leave the formula, easy formula for you, because this is 100 ml. Just do 100 ml, just a small jar, okay? Because then you'll be able to do it again and again and again. That way, after you're done with this, like you see how this is, after you're done with that, then you make it some more. It'll only take a few seconds for you to do, okay? Other than that, that's about it on this video, and I hope you find it useful, and I will see you in the next video, okay?